You know the words to this joint, come and sing this song. Mecheon, go Perryman. These other rappers lame, you know we bury them. We so off the chain, I know it scares them. I heard they dropping something, but we don't care about them. Go Mecheon, go Perryman. These other rappers lame, you know we bury them. We so off the chain, I know it scares them. I heard they dropping something, but we don't care about them. A young thug turned out to be a wise man. Sizzling baby like some bacon in a frying pan. Check my neck out and it's gold all in my mouth. The way she liked the sausage, thought she worked at Waffle House. Free them guys, stuck trapped behind them walls. K2 with them cash apps, bout the ball. Crawl low with something fine, moving through the city. Ratchet girls, all them ones that be Hasididdy. Pretty rims on that thing, let's do a speaker test. Feeling good outside, get a smoky chest. Wood wheel working, I'm bumping UGK. On that CG tip, shout out to my sister Nay. Just bounce with me, boy, know that boy star. About to hit the gas pedal, burning like a tar. INT, keep the party jumping all night long. You know the words to this joint, come and sing this song. Mecheon, go Perryman. These other rappers lame, you know we bury them. We so off the chain, I know it scares them. I heard they dropping something, but we don't care about them.
Go Perryman, the barbarian, beef quiet, librarian, start a riot, we meddling, detect the lighting, get the meddling, we fighting, concerned citizens, the ops like it, they listening. This is part beast, part piece, part meat. I'm off the leash, they talk sheep, ball release, muzzle me, pose a piece, run the streets, track meets, car read, Richardson, scriptures in like Clippers in, spit again, Timberlands, him again, putting in work, putting him first, breaking these curse, no more RIP shirts, no more parents gonna hurt. After these bars, everybody go berserk.
Go Mecheon, go Perryman. These other rappers lame, you know we bury them. We so off the chain, I know it scares them. I heard they dropping something, but we don't care about them.